Google sent over the brand new Pixel 4a, but this time it's in blue.
Barely.
Now you guys know I don't do a lot of phone coverage here on this channel, but when Team Pixel and Google asked me if I wanted to check out the 4a in barely blue, I was like, yo, let's see what's really good. Honestly, from everything I've heard, the Pixel 4a has been hands down the budget phone of the year. And after a few days of checking it out, man, I don't know what else to tell you. That's the truth, no cap. Now for a bit of behind the curtains of my own personal cell phone journey, pretty much since the Nexus, I had the Nexus 6, the 6P, I pretty much had every Google phone up until the Pixel 4. And that was mainly because my Pixel 3a XL was still going strong. I thought that was an amazing phone for the price, for the budget. Then they dropped the 4a. I believe this comes in about $349. Now I'm not gonna do a full rundown and review of this phone because honestly, there's been a million by the other great members of Team Pixel and people who just wanted to check this phone out. I'm gonna tell you about my experience with the phone, and instead of doing a full unboxing, we're gonna take a closer look at this blue color, and I picked up 3 cases. We're gonna check out and see which one is gonna go on my phone. Now come in closer, folks. Sorry about the voiceover, but I had some technical difficulties with the mic while recording. For reference, I'll list some of the phone specs here on the side. Now let's take a closer look at this barely blue. It's definitely a softer baby blue that I'm doing justice with the color grade. Now let's get into 2 of the main reasons I love the budget offerings from Google. The fingerprint sensor on the back where I like it, and boom, a headphone jack for all my wired cans. Flipping it around, we have the hole punch camera on the screen. I know a lot of people have a lot of extreme thoughts about this. I literally do not care. Plain and simple, after a few days playing games, listening to music, and watching videos with this phone, I really enjoy it. Let's take a quick look at a video from the homie Antoine. Get this man to 100K stat Richardson, aka JDL. Again, forgive the mic quality.
But it's called Try It. Either way, they are back in the game for 2020 with the Quiet Plus 70.
You can zoom in to feel that OLED screen with the video, man. I'm with it. Oh yeah, before we go, I wanted to show you guys 3 cases I picked up for the Pixel 4a. The first one I was already using, which is the Rugged Armor from Speaking. I've had damn near this version of the case on any phone I can get it on. It's got that solid grip in your hand with some grips on the side, a very nice lip around the front to provide some protection, and the buttons are still clicky and responsive. Next is the Ringke Fusion. It's got this smoke black on the side and a clear back after you peel off this plastic. Phone seems pretty protected while letting you flex that barely blue on a hater. I'm not mad at this at all. Last, but probably my favorite out of the bunch, is the Crave Dual Guard and Slate. I immediately like the extra bulk this brings to the phone. I'll talk about the overall phone size a little later, but this case was a winner for me. Plus, I actually do like the slate color if we're not going to be able to see the barely blue. Good grip on the back, buttons are super responsive. Overall, I'm about that action with this case. Let me know which ones y'all like best in the comments. So overall, the Pixel 4a represents what I really love about Google phones in general. You're getting that full stock Android experience, no other gimmicks and tricks that other phones need to justify those ridiculous prices, and you're getting those world-class Google cameras. To me, their cameras and the built-in Google software just can't be beat. I've seen other phones with really good cameras that take amazing pictures, but for the price, you're just not gonna be able to beat the type of mobile photography that you can take with the A series of phones from Google. Their budget line, and it's ridiculous. You're getting that same great Google quality with that built-in Google AI that just makes the colors so great coming out of the box. Now, the main issue that I have with this exact phone, the 4a, is the size. As you can see, I have big hands. I mean, I am a large phone enthusiast. My 3a XL was a really nice size phone. Now, this is a very good phone with a really good screen, but it's just so small in my hands. Now, A lot of people want that. A lot of people wear skinny jeans and this phone will fit in those jeans a little bit better, or maybe they just don't want the bulk or heft of carrying a big phone. I actually do. So for that, I'll probably be checking out the Google Pixel 4a with 5G, which seems to have a slightly larger screen than the Pixel 5, and that might be the sweet spot for me going forward. But otherwise, for the price, the Pixel 4a, especially in this new barely blue color, man, you can't beat it. But let me know what you guys think about the Pixel 4a, especially in this barely blue color. Shout out to Team Pixel. If you're with the squad, let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.